In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add a Xerox printer on your Windows 10 device. So whether it's a laptop, tablet, or desktop computer, in today's tutorial, I'm going to have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select the devices tile. And then on the left side underneath devices, select printers and scanners. And then underneath add printers and scanners, select the add a printer or scanner button. And then make sure your Xerox printer is connected to your Wi-Fi settings on your network, and then it should populate in this list. If you're using a physical connection with a cable, it should populate in this list regardless. If you're still having issues, you can go on to the Xerox printer website in order to download the relevant drivers and software for your specific make and model. And if all else fails, you can select the printer that I want isn't listed right here, and that will open up a new wizard that you can go through and configure it manually. So pretty straightforward process on all of that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.